What's up, everyone? Look, we just installed this unit in trade school. Kind of cooked the fuck out of this, not gonna lie. Look, they were trying to braze it for a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Kind of put a hole right through some of the copper. But 1.5 ton air handler. It's a Goodman. Can't stop a Goodman. Brand new. Pretty cool. Go trade school. This is our refrigeration lab. We got a little chiller, some coils, some air handlers, fridge, some other shit. Oh yeah, look at this. Now this is pretty fucking awesome. This thing's huge, dude. Tecumseh. Look, they got open drives. I think these are 3-phase. These guys right here. Yeah, HVAC's cool.